Does the soup catch your eye? Is it catching your eye? I hope it does catch your eye. Okay, here are the ingredients for preparing the soup. I have my egusi. Is being grounded. I grounded it with this okpei. That's why it's looking like this. This is okpei, castor seed in English. So I have blended it. I have my onion here. I have nut cube for seasoning, salt, grounded crayfish. I'll be using ice fish too. I have washed it properly. This is for my children, for my kids. I have red oil here. Dry fish is properly washed with water and salt. I'll be using stockfish also. I'll be using goat meat. You can use any protein of your choice. And I'm using spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Pumpkin leaf. Or you can also use bitter leaf in cooking this soup, okay? So in a pot, I'll be adding my meat. I'll add the stockfish. I've washed it properly. I'll add sauce. I'll add nut for seasoning. I'll add onion. I won't add any water yet. To bring that sauce on its own, I will now cover. Okay, let's check our soup. You see, now I told you I didn't add water yet, as people say. So, but now the meat has brought out sauce on its own. Okay, it just brought out sauce on its own. I didn't add water then, but I'll be adding water enough to cook the meat now. Okay. So I'll cover it to cook. So in the bowl of egusi, I'll be adding my onion. I'm adding this onion because I want the onion to cuddle with the egusi so that it will make it lumpy. Okay. So I'll be adding the stock water. You can add ordinary water. I'm adding the water from the stock, from the meat. I will add enough to turn it, because I'll be using frying method. You know that there are many ways of cooking egusi. You can cook egusi in many ways. For today's recipe, I'll be using frying method. So let's turn it. Water. You can skip not adding any onion. Okay. So we now set it aside. So over here I'll be cutting my spinach. So we are done with cutting our vegetable. We will set it aside. Our meat has been cooking. We will now scoop it out to fry our egusi. Our oil. We will now add the onion. Remember I told you I'll be using the frying method. So I will now be molding in the egusi. Thank you, my returning followers. and my new ones. If this is the first time of seeing my video or coming across my channel, I welcome you all. Thank you all. Please keep liking, commenting, sharing, and click on the notification bell so you get updates whenever I post a new video. Okay. And then cover it. Then after 5 minutes. Sorry, I didn't know this thing was not video then. I've already breaking it up. I break it up because I don't want it to be too lumpy, okay? I don't want it to be too lumpy, so I break it up. I'll now cover to cook for another 5 minutes. So this is 5 minutes. If you like, you don't have to cook it this long. I like to fry it very well, that's why I'm frying it this long. Okay. So I'll now add my roasting. You can hear the sound, right? Okay. Like to say that the egusi fries very well. So I will now add a little water. So at this point I will be adding my dry fish. I will add crayfish, Scotch bonnet pepper, and 1 cube of lamb. Adding a little salt to it. I will cover to cook. So I'll be chopping up soup. Oh, you can see the face of the soup. It's really soupy. Let me check the salt to taste. Yeah, there's salt to it. There is salt. So at this moment, I'll be adding my fish. With fish. I like eating with fish. I like I don't know, deep the egusi soup, okay? So if you like, you can fry the fish before adding it inside the soup. At this point, I think my soup is too consistent. I'll add more water, a little water. The soup is too consistent, see? It's too thick. So I will just stir a little so that my fish will not break. I will not forget to cook. So let's check back our soup. So we're adding our vegetable now. Our soup is getting ready. Does the soup catch your eye? Is it catching your eye? I hope it does catch your eye. I'm perceiving the aroma. It's really nose blinding. Guys, if you watch till these comments, now I know you like the video. If you watch till this moment, Please guys, tell me where you're watching from so I will send you a hug in my next video. Our soup is ready. I'll now cover to just cook for 2 minutes before putting it off. So this is 2 minutes. Our soup is ready. Our egusi soup is ready and delicious. Let me put off the stove now. Guys, our egusi is ready. It's all ready. Okay, have a plate of yours. Thank you for watching. Bye.